are we?
Beach.
Beach. We've come to Wells for the day. And I've not been here since I was like 15.
Whoa.
That man over there is watching me. You alright, mate? So yeah, we're at Wells and we're excited, and it's very, very busy. You excited, Squeaks?
Yep.
Where's your brother?
There.
Fox, stay in the car, mate, while Daddy's getting ready.
Yeah. I am my brother.
Right, watch out for the cars. Get in, get in, get in. Wait here, let them go. Right, come on. It's really busy.
Those doggies are cute. They have jumpers on.
They do, don't they? They're very cute doggies with jumpers on. Ice cream van.
No.
It is so bright, isn't it?
But cold.
It's not too cold, it's just very windy. But they have broken out the winter coats. Oh, look at them. I love their little coats. They're so cute.
Doggies welcome.
The cafe. Premium ice treats for doggies, look.
The butty stuff.
Oroni. Hello, it tells you what you can do with your recycling, what you got to put in what. Sausage butties. Hello. Here's a soggy doggy.
What's that big bird up there? Or is it
That's an aeroplane, Mika. Did you think it was a bird? And it's an aeroplane. Yeah, should we go in the lifeboat centre and have a look? Look, Foxy. Oh, it's closed. Let's go look this way, keep going. Surprised they're shut on a Sunday.
Seasonal thing in the usually dead at this point.
no ice cream?
Here we go, look. Look how fast the water's moving, girls. Look how fast that boat's going, the sailboat. Yeah. Massive sandbar.
Have you ever been to this beach?
No, I've never been to this beach before. What do you reckon, Foxy Man?
Good.
Cool? We can go down here and look for sea glass.
Yeah.
What, the beach isn't shut, mate? No. Wow, look. Mika. Go.
Cool.
This is lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, there's loads of people.
Got all the beach huts.
Millions.
Right, let's go down to get to where the sand is not as sandy so we can walk in our shoes.
Come on, and my shoes are red.
Because you're not walking carefully. You have to walk carefully with flat feet. Right, let's look for sea glass. This is beautiful. Isn't it?
Mama, look what I found.
What are we searching for, girls?
Sea glass.
sea glass. Going to put Fox on top of a shelf. It's so pretty. The water is reasonably clear. There's a huge sandbar over there.
Look for black rocks
Yeah.
and point them at the sun because it might be pirate sea glass.
Good idea. Mmm.
I'll put these in my pocket.
We're underneath. We come the other way. We're underneath the lifeboat jetty, looking for sea glass. It's much quieter at this end because it's more stony. It is beautiful. Yeah. Is this for me? Thank you. Don't wipe it on my leg, you little fart face.
So,
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Help me! Help me! He just sat on me.
Yeah, this is a boat here, look. Closest to the shore.
Mommy, is this pirate sea glass? It looks a bit green.
No, it's also a rock.
Yeah.
Did you find this?
Daddy? Yeah.
Brilliant shell.
How much three?
Mind check.
Look good?
No, that's just a stone. Let's get rid of it.
Ari, should we get some food? Yeah?
If pirate sea glass was easy to find, then it wouldn't be as fun, would it?
Cool. Right, wash your hands.
And the sea.
You can wash them in the sea or you can just brush them and then they'll dry and...
I've got gloves on.
So Ari, it's a cool shell, isn't it?
I didn't want it, so I put it on the floor.
What do the cakes look like? I know.
Hot dog cam.
No, we don't. Look, this is still in there.
Put it on high.
Put it on the table. Put it on the table and then we'll push it. You push really hard, push as hard as you can. Oh! You did it. That looks so yummy.
Really? I think she's going to go for a bite.
It's hard to bite. I've got ketchup everywhere.
take cards?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Right, what does everyone want then? Ice cream?
Sorry.
That's what?
Rum, raisin, strawberry, mint chocolate, rhubarb and custard, salted caramel, banoffee and cookies and cream. Cookies and cream.
For him.
And I want a rainbow.
Whippy for him?
Yeah.
No? They're just to show people. Doing that sort, yeah? Yeah, you like those cones, don't you? Yeah.
Look at the sweetie shop. Wow, look at all this.
More flavours.
No, they're the
Cookies
same.
and cream.
There we go. Do you want a plate? Put a chocky bit in there? No, just like that? Okay.
Right, what do you guys want?
What's your personal favourite?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. Let's have a
That's what I would guess you'd have gone for that then.
Exactly like cookies and no.
It's good. I think I'll go Cox.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
Yeah, two
please.
salted.
Oh, the sprinkly one, please, yeah.
Oh, Ari's was meant to be a sprinkly one.
No, you should have done one.
Did you? Oh, you wanted that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're getting ice cream, aren't we? Oh yeah, what? Sorry, car. I'm getting a big
Thank
I'm
you.
getting a mess with me again.
And then finally,
Yeah, can I get the same, please?
Same cone?
Yes, please, hon. Good?
You want it, right?
No.
I don't want to do it.
Is it good, Foxy?
Yeah, you're going to move your scooch out the way, don't you?
Can I
Let's have a look over here and what there is.
Yeah.
Can I say no?
Is it good, Foxy? Was it good?
too late now.
Who's the slowest one to eat their ice cream? You. Foxy's throwing a wobbly because he wanted to put something in the bin.
Little crabby.
Yeah, shut the door.
We're going to go and look in these shops in a minute. They look really cool.
What flavour is it?
There's so many doggies. That one's got a Halloween bandana on. How was your ice cream? How's your ice cream? Mine was good, good, good.
How much is the bucket to the park? Buckets of water. And launch one like hit Dad's car and let's set the car alarm off.
How cool is that?
Glitter and mud.
Should we go and have a look?
Inside.
Should we go in?
No
Glitter
touching.
and mud. Oh my god, I want everything already. Oh my god, I want that bag. Oh my god. Don't touch anything, please. Oh, look at the bamboo plates. Pumpkin stuff.
Hold my
Oh my
hand.
god, look at those sunglasses. They're tippy cups for babies, but you're not a baby, are you? Oh my god, look at the bags.
Me can call me
Yeah, we call me a butt face because she's naughty.
pumpkin.
Pumpkin, yeah. Wow.
Bucket.
Flower press, like what you've got. Oh, look at the little mushrooms. This one was nice. It's very, very expensive. Very expensive.
Yeah, yeah, but
Yeah. Look at this menu. Oh my goodness. That looks incredible. Look, there's a Biscoff one, Ari, look. That looks amazing. I could do with a beer.
Yeah.
You want a beer, Fox? They're nice little benches, aren't they? Oh yeah.
Oh,
no touch area, are we?
Look, girls. Look.
Mika, what's this shell here? What's this? What's looking in here? Can we lift you up?
Wow.
Mama, come here.
I don't know, what does it say? This is Glass by Alison. Oh, it's just made, yeah, it's all, this is all made of glass.
Look at that one.
Wow. Oh my goodness, they're made of shells.
Sloth.
It's a sloth. They're so pretty.
Moose. Oh, there's something else we want. Sloth. Little sheep.
Look at the little fake plants.
It's really cute.
They're so pretty.
You're not going to buy yourself in yet, are you? No.
They're lamps.
Can you do lamps?
Can you hold this, Mika? Thank you. Those are amazing. These are all made of like mosaics.
What do you want? There's what do you want to touch?
Mika, don't touch them.
Just look. Yeah, let's turn it off and on that. See?
Oh, we look, Ruth House.
Wow. Look at all these pictures.
Oh, look, Ruth House. That's cool.
See?
Oh, this is what Auntie Odge does when you burn stuff into wood.
Where's all the pictures?
Like the big pegs.
It's very tricky to get it.
Yeah, so nice.
Usually end up hitting one of the ridges in the wood.
What's that reindeer? Oh, look.
What do you think of Wells?
Good.
Is it good? You have a good day, Foxy? It's 20 to 3.
Jeez.
And we had lots of fun. And we're now going to go home and get ready for the new week. Bye. Hey, we are back home now with the babies. And yeah, that was a really fun, busy day, but we are all knackered now. So I think we're going to have some dinner and then we might pick a movie to watch. And then we're just going to cuddle some kitties for the rest of the day. Yes. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.